Hello everyone and welcome to the Aurora home. Today we're looking at how to make friendship bracelets. Friendship bracelets often have special letters which spell words, just like the ones I'm wearing. To make these bracelets we're going to need some letter beads, some other beads, some elastic and some scissors. I've got some lovely star beads, so today we're going to make a bracelet with the word star on it. Let's find the letters. Found the letters and chosen two pink stars to go with them because I want to make a pink and white bracelet. Now let's find the other beads. I love these beads. They're so sparkly, which is just right for stars. We need a piece of elastic. It needs to be enough to tie a knot easily. Twice the length of your wrist. I start by threading the letters on first. Now we'll start by putting the beads either side. You have to be careful when you're doing this because you don't want to push the beads either side off. See how I'm building up the pattern either side. You need to make it long enough to go around your wrist properly. I have enough beads now. Now it's time to tie the knot. Knots can be a bit tricky, so you might need someone to help you. To make this special knot, you have to tie it once, then make a double wrap. Please see the drawing that's coming up next to show what I mean. Doing it this way helps keep the knot in place when you trim the ends. Hold it nice and tight, and you can put a dab of glue if you want to on it too. And there's our finished bracelet. Doesn't it look lovely and sparkly? There we go. Don't they look pretty? That's all the time we had for today. Join me tomorrow when my new videos are out. I'll see you soon.